Hi, my dear children. Welcome back to our maths class. I hope you all are doing well and safe at your home. Today, we are going to continue this chapter fractions with some word problems related with multiplication and times. Before that, let's look at some measurements and how is it represented in fractions. 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliters. Then half liter is equal to 500 milliliters. Next, 1 by 4 liter or quarter of a liter is equal to 250 milliliters. Then 3 by 4 liter or 3 quarter of a liter is equal to 750 milliliter. Next, 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 grams. Then half kilogram is equal to 500 grams. Then 1 by 4 or quarter of a kilogram is equal to 250 grams. 3 by 4 kilogram or 3 quarters is equal to 750 grams. Like that, 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. Then half meter is equal to 50 centimeters. Then 1 by 4 meter or quarter of a meter is equal to 25 centimeters. Then 3 by 4 meter or 3 quarter of a meter is equal to 75 centimeters. Now let's do some activities related to multiplication in times. Activity number 1. What is the total weight of 2 pieces of pumpkin, each weighing 250 grams? What if the weight is put in kilograms? Weight of one piece is equal to 250 grams. Then the total weight of 2 pieces is equal to 2 times 250 grams. That is equal to 2 multiplied by 250 grams. That is equal to 500 grams. Now we have to find the total weight after putting it in kilograms. Then weight of one piece is equal to 250 grams. That is equal to 1 by 4 kilogram. Then weight of 2 pieces is equal to 2 times 1 by 4. Here we have to multiply the numerators and divide it with the denominator. That is 2 into 1 by 4. That is equal to 2 by 4. The equivalent fraction of 2 by 4 is equal to 1 by 2. Therefore, the weight of 2 pieces is equal to 1 by 2 kilogram. Is it clear for you? Next, activity number 2. What is the total length of 4 pieces of ribbon, each of length 75 centimeters? What if the length is put in meters? Here, the length of one piece is given as 75 centimeters. Therefore, the total length of 4 pieces is equal to 75 multiplied by 4, that is equal to 300 centimeters. Now, let's find out the length after putting it in meters. Length of one piece is equal to 75 centimeter. That is equal to 3 by 4 meter. Therefore, total length of 4 pieces is equal to 4 times 3 by 4. That is equal to 3 by 4 multiplied by 4. That is equal to 3 into 4 by 4. That is equal to 12 by 4. Then 12 divided by 4 is equal to 3. Therefore, total length of 4 pieces is equal to 3 meters. Is it clear for you? Next, activity number 3. 1 cup can hold 1 by 3 liter of milk. How much milk can we pour in 2 cups? Then in 4 cups. Quantity of milk 1 cup holds is equal to 1 by 3 liter. Therefore, quantity of milk in 2 cups is equal to 2 multiplied by 1 by 3. That is equal to 2 into 1 by 3. That is equal to 2 by 3 liters. Quantity of milk in 4 cups is equal to 4 multiplied by 1 by 3. That is equal to 4 into 1 by 3. That is equal to 4 by 3. 4 by 3 is an improper fraction. We have to convert 4 by 3 into mixed fraction. Then divide 4 by 3. On dividing, we got the answer as 1 and 1 by 3 liter. Is it clear for you children? I hope you all understood what I had taught today. That's all for today children. We shall continue our class on the next day. Okay? Thank you.